Welcome to Mrs. J's Book Nook. Today I am reading Time for Bed by Mem Fox, illustrated by Jane Dyer. Just a little bit of background about this book. When I was pregnant, my husband read an article in the newspaper about this very book, and it was saying what a great story it was to read to your unborn child. So we sourced the book and bought it, and I did that. I read it every night until he was born. When he was old enough to pick up a book and start looking at pictures, he used to gravitate to this one in particular. So we have bought this and passed it on to our other children who have done the same thing and read it to their unborn children as well. It's an all-time favourite. I love it. I hope you enjoy it. Time for Bed, first published in the United States, 1993 by Harcourt Brace and Company. Copyright Mem Fox, 1993. It's time for bed, little mouse, little mouse. Darkness is falling all over the house. It's time for bed, little goose, little goose. The stars are out and on the loose. It's time for bed, little cat, little cat. So snuggle in tight. That's right, like that. It's time for bed, little calf, little calf. What happened today that made you laugh? It's time for bed, little foal, little foal. I'll whisper a secret, but don't tell a soul. It's time for bed, little fish, little fish. So hold your breath and make a wish. It's time for bed, little sheep, little sheep. The whole wide world is going to sleep. It's time to sleep, little bird, so close your eyes, not another word. It's time to sleep, little bee, little bee. Yes, I love you and you love me. It's time to sleep, little snake, little snake. Good gracious me, you're still awake. It's time to sleep, little pup, little pup. If you don't sleep soon, the sun will be up. It's time to sleep, little dear, little dear. The very last kiss is almost here. The stars on high are shining bright. Sweet dreams, my darling. Sleep well. Good night.